In order to move data from a USB flash drive to Google Pixel 10a or from Google Pixel 10a to the flash drive, once you connect the USB flash drive to your phone, we can go to the Files app by Google. Now, in this file manager, in order to transfer something from one storage to another, first we need to go to the internal storage. If you want to transfer from phone to the flash drive, so this is what I'm gonna do first. So we're gonna choose the internal storage. In here we need to find and choose whatever we want to transfer. So let's say I'm gonna choose this photo over here. So I'm gonna press and hold my finger on it, and then I'm gonna also choose this one over here. Next we're gonna tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and we're gonna choose Move To. And then we need to choose the USB flash drive. We need to decide where it should be placed. So let's say I'm gonna go over here into this folder, and then I can tap to move there. And there we go. Now these two selected files have been transferred to the USB flash drive. Now on the other hand, if you want to transfer something from the flash drive to the phone, it is pretty much the same way, but of course, first we need to go to the flash drive, find our files, and then we do exactly the same thing. We decide to move those files. This time we need to move to the phone, so we're gonna choose internal storage. We need to decide where it should be placed, and then decide where you want to move these files. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.